Oh. Look at the size of this guy, and they're all just watching him. What? Oh my God, are you joking? Are you joking? He's gonna choke. This is a stupid bird. What is wrong with you, you glutton? What is wrong with you? Is this guy seriously gonna take that thing down? Is it still stuck? Can you breathe? Bro, you got an airway still? Close your door, Hazel. Close your door.
Or is that him?
That's
Yeah,
him
that's
right there.
him.
Look how big he is. I can't believe you took that down, bro.
He's still choking on
It looks like it's still stuck in his neck. Dude, why'd you do that, bro? You could have shared with your friends.
Yeah, they were like fighting over the little crumbs.
That was crazy.